Hi everyone, hope you all are good and doing well. Today's topic is about a vowel pair that makes two sounds, short and long. As we have learned in our previous lesson about the double O vowel pair with a short and long sound, today I am with another vowel pair that is EA vowel pair, and it's going to make some two sounds, that is short as well as long. Now, when we are getting a short sound in EA, it makes the sound as A, as in egg. A, egg. And when you are making a long sound, as I said that when two vowels are working together, the first one does the talking. That means it will say its name and that will be long. So here it will be like E. So the long sound of EA will be E and the short sound of EA will be A. So in this, I'm going to practice both the words short and the long sound of words with my child. And after completing this, I'm going to do an activity where I'm going to check whether my child could pronounce both the sounds properly. So have a look now. Now Filza, here we are going to practice the short EA sound. Okay, it's a vowel pair. E is a vowel, A is a vowel. Yes, when you're getting a two vowels here, in some words it's making a short sound like A, as in egg. Okay. So we are going to first practice the short sound. Okay, here I'm using some of the flashcards for her to help her read the words. Yes? So by reading a word and looking at a picture, I think you could be able to pronounce it properly.
Yay!
Yes, do it now. So here, the first one I'm using here, what is the sound of H? H. And the sound of EA here is A. Okay? And the sound of D? Very good. So HEAD.
Head.
Head. Very good. Say loudly. Head. So we are going to place here. Head. Yes. Now the similar words we have, like the other word we can take is, not that one, fills a wait. Now this one. Look here. What is the sound of D?
D.
What is the sound of EA? A. Here the sound of EA. A. And the sound of F? So DEAF.
Deaf.
Very good. Deaf. Now next I'll take it as this one, filter. Look here. What is BREAD?
Bread.
Bread. So that is why I'm using flashcards, because if they look at the picture and can read the word, I think they could be able to pronounce it correctly. So this is helping me actually now. So here, bread. Okay, next, Filza. Give me that adhesive tack. So here I'm using the adhesive tack to stick the picture up.
Bread.
Next, I'll take this one. Come on, tell me about this. What is DEAD?
Deaf.
Huh? What is the sound of D?
D.
What is the sound of EA? And the sound of D?
D.
So DEAD. It starts with D sound, D sound, and it ends with D sound. So DEAD.
Dead.
Dead. Very good. Dead.
Dead.
So here the fish is dead. It's no
Yeah.
more alive.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, fine. Now next one. I'll take for you this one. Will you read this, Filza?
Yeah.
HEAVY.
Heavy.
Heavy, very good. That's great. Heavy, yes. It has got more weight. Heavy.
Heavy.
Good. And next one, I'll take it as
This
this.
one.
Now tell me, what is the sound of TH?
Two.
The sound of R? The sound of EA? And the sound of D?
D.
THREAD.
Thread.
Thread. That's good. Thread. So you know what is thread?
Yeah.
For stitching we use thread.
Yeah.
Yes, for stitching of clothes we use thread.
I see.
Oh, you saw?
Yeah, I see.
Okay, anyway now. Next one, Filza. This is somewhat difficult for you, but I hope you can do it. Now tell me about this. S-P-R-E-A-D.
Spread.
Very good, spread. You love spreading the chocolate on a bread?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, now look here. Next one, Filza. Next, I'll take the word for you as this one. What is the sound of L? What is the sound of E-A? The sound of L is L, Filza, not L. L. The sound of E-A. And the sound of T-H here. The. Okay, the E-R. R. So L-E-A-T-H-E-R.
Her.
Oh my God. Start from L sound. Leather.
Leather.
Okay. It starts from L sound. Leather.
Later.
So it has got two sound. TH has got two sound. Th and the. So the sound of TH here is the. Leather.
Later.
Okay. I'll teach you this similar word here now.
This.
This one, Filza, tell me now. What is the sound of W?
What?
The sound of EA. The sound of TH.
Two.
The sound of ER. So it is now, here it is leather because L you have, yeah? Now here, can you tell me W-E-A-T-H-E-R?
Word.
W-E-A, weather.
Weather.
Weather, you experience different types of weather, yeah, in a year? That's great. So it is weather. And what is leather here, Filza? Leather is a material with which we can make jackets or pants, wallets, belts, bag. Many things will be made out of this, okay? So it's called leather. Weather. Okay, next one. Now tell me about this. This is quite similar. What is F-E-A-T-H-E-R?
First.
Fair. F-E-A, T-H-E-R? Feather. Feather. It's a bird's feather. Leather, feather, feather. Now next one, can you tell me what is this? T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E. What is this? Okay, fine. This is something different. What is the sound of T? What is the sound of R? What is the sound of E-A? Here? Yes, tray. Here, S-U-R-E. Treasure. You know treasure?
I know.
What you know about treasure? Look at the picture. What you can see here in this box?
This is money box.
It's not a money box. You have some gold coins here, diamonds, some jewelry, costly jewelry. Okay, first you study, then you will get the treasure. Treasure. Next, what is M-E-A-S-U-R-E? What is the sound of M? Very good. Measure. Very good. That's great. Measure. Treasure. Measure. So when you have to find out the width or height or length, we use the measuring tape. Yes? Good. Now we are going to practice the long sound of EA. You know how the long sound of EA will be? It will be E. The first alphabet is going to make a sound. E. Okay? Now look here. As in eat. E-A-T? Eat. Okay, now tell me what is R-E-A-D?
Read.
Very good. Read. L-E-A-F.
Leave.
Very good. D-R-E-A-M.
Dream.
Very good. L-E-A-K.
Leak.
Yes, leak. So whenever any liquid is dripping out of the can or bottle, we say it's leaking. Leak. Okay, what is B-E-A-K?
Beak.
Very good. What is S-E-A-T? Seat. E-A makes the sound as E. Seat. Okay. What is S-T-E-A-M?
Team.
Very good. What is M-E-A-T?
Meat.
Very good. What is P-E-A-S?
Peace.
Very good. What is S-E-A?
Sea.
Very good. What is C-L-E-A-N?
Clean.
That's great. So it was easier for her because we have already practiced this long E sound. So this is how I made her read both the short and the long sound of EA. Initially, I found that it was little difficult for her to make a difference between a short and the long sound in a word. So I thought it's better I must use a flashcard this time so that she can look at the picture, recognize the picture and can read a word clearly. And that's really help her in pronouncing the word. So here I made a book by taking some 12 short and long sound of words so that whenever she wants she can just open a book and can revise by herself without my assistance, I guess. The same way I did it in my last video with the oo words. So these books will definitely help them in practicing the words. But you people need not have to worry about this because I'm going to keep a very clear picture of it before I end up a video so that whenever your child want to revise, they can just switch on my video and can make by themselves. So these are the two digraphs that I said earlier that I'm making both the short and the long sound. So in this video, I have completed the short and the long sound of EA. Now let's do a good activity based on that. So watch it till the end. So now Filza, let's do an activity. It's called read and cover. Look here, read and cover. So you have to read a word and then see a picture and you have to cover that word with a picture. Okay? Understood?
Yeah.
Now tell me Filza, what is S? We have both the short and the long sound here. I have mixed the words. I have jumbled the words here, okay? So be careful when you are reading. So what is S-E-A-T?
Seat.
Very good. Where is seat? Here I am using some different pictures, not the same one as I have used in practicing. Now tell me, what is, very good Filza, what is H-E-A-D?
Hat.
Head. Very good. That's great. Yeah. What is R-E-A-D?
Read.
Very good. Where is read picture? Very good. That's great. Now D-E-A-F.
Deaf.
Deaf. Where is the deaf picture? Deaf. Deaf yani what, Filza? What means deaf? What do you mean by deaf? The one who can't hear is called deaf. Deaf. The can't hear. Yes, deaf. What is L-E-A-F?
Leave.
Very good. Leaf. D-E-A-D.
Deaf.
D-E-A-D, it ends with the sound. D-E-A-D. Dead.
Dead.
Where is the... Yeah, the fish is dead here. Now next, what is H-E-A-V-Y?
Heavy.
Heavy. Yes, good. What is B-R-E-A-D?
Bread.
Bread. Very good. Bread? Huh? Where is bread? Bread yani what, Filza? Good. Now tell me, what is C-L-E-A-N?
Clean.
Clean. Yes, clean. The sound of E here. Clean. Good. What is S-C-R-E-A-M?
Cream.
What is the sound of S? What is the sound of C? K. The sound of R? R. The sound of E-A? E. And the sound of M? M. So this is scream.
Scream.
Scream yani what, Filza? To shout loudly is called scream. Yes, good. Scream. T-H-R-E-A-D.
Tree.
T-H-R-E-A-D. What is the sound of T-H? Look here, Filza, first spell. T-H. What is the sound of T-H? What is the sound of R? The sound of E-A here? A. And the sound of D? So T-H-R-E-A-D. Thread. Very good. Thread. Yes. Now tell me D-R-E-A-M.
Dream.
Dream. Well done. Yes, well done. Very good. So this way I did an activity. But before doing an activity, it is always better that you practice pronouncing the words 2 to 3 times with them so that they can sort and read the word with confidence here. So thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned at least a single thing out of this. If so, please do like and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. I'll surely come up with more such learning videos. So keep watching and take care. Goodbye.